Good morning, students. This is Raju, Associate Professor in the Department of ACE in Ramchandra College of Engineering. I am going to explain about properties of probability distribution function in the subject of random variables and stochastic process. As you know that random variables means a random experiment, total outcomes are assigned with real numbers. Assigned with real numbers is called as random variables. You know that PDF, probability distribution function. The cumulative probabilities of all the probabilities, addition of all the probabilities is called as probability distribution function. It is denoted as capital F of X. Capital F of X is denoted as probability distribution function. The cumulative addition of all probabilities is defined is a PDF, probability distribution function, and random variables means you know that all the values, all the outcomes of an experiment is assigned a real numbers is called as random variables. Properties of probability distribution function. As you know that is probability should always be always greater than or equal to 0. So here you can see that the first property effects of minus infinity is equal to 0. So means it is there is no negative values if negative values in distribution function. So that is the reason effects of minus infinity is equal to 0. Next, second one, effects of plus infinity is equal to 1. So means as you know that already the probability of all the probabilities addition, maximum probability equal to 1. Here maximum distribution function effects of plus infinity is equal to 1. Third property is 0 less than and effects of x less than are equal to 1. Here the PDF probability distribution function is always between 0 to 1. And next, the fourth property is effects of x1 is less than or equal to effects of x2. If the x1 is less than or equal to x2, so means the distribution function of x1 is less than or equal to the distribution function of x2 if the x1 value is less than or equal to x2 value. Next, fifth property, the probability of x1 less than or equal to capital X less than or equal to x2 equal effects of x2 minus effects of x2 gives the this in between the values. The probability between x1 and x2 gives the distribution function of x2 minus here you need to write x1 effects of x2. So these are the probabilities like probability properties. The PDF properties also same. The maximum distribution function, the negative values of distribution equal to 0, that is infinite value, that is distribution of infinity is equal to 1. So means the maximum is equal to maximum distribution function is also equal to 1, and always the distribution function is between the 0 and 1. Next is probability density function. Probability density function is defined. It is a particular probability at particular frequency is called as probability distribution function. It is used to mathematical tool to represent the random variable. So means at a particular point, what is the particular point random variable particular outcome probability it indicates. So means, and one more thing, it is also is defined as the derivative of the distribution function. So means particular point, at particular point we are finding the probability, so that is called as probability distribution density function. Probability density function is denoted with small effects of x, but PDF is defined with that is a capital effects of x. But here it is as you define the probability density function is defined as small effects of x is equal to d by dx of capital effects of x distribution function, where small x is a real number in the range between minus infinity to plus infinity. You can see the example. A continuous random variable assumes the values between that is x equal to 2 to x equal to 5, then find the probability density function. If fx of, that is density functions, fx of x equal to k into 1 plus x, as you know that is minus infinity to plus infinity, that is fx of x dx is equal to 1. So means that is equal, the values are in between, x values between 2 to 5. So therefore integration of 2 to 5 into k into 1 plus x dx equal to 1. So this implies k into, the integration of 1 is x, and integration of x is x square by 2 of 2 to 5, the interval, so equal to 1. Substitutes the, that is limit values, that is 5 plus 25 by 2, 5 minus, that is 2, so that minus 2 plus 2, so is equal 1, and it is equal to, finally you can get the k value, the 2 by 27. So like this you can calculate the density function values, probability density function values. And coming to the properties of probability density function, like PDF, probability density distribution function. So here first property is the probability density function, small fx of x is always greater than or equal to 0 for all values of x, and the maximum value, total value, and addition of all the density functions, that is integration of minus infinity to plus infinity fx of x dx is equal to maximum value is 1. So that is the reason he is saying that the always the density function values are in between 0 to 1, that is 0 less than or equal fx of x less than or equal 1. So the fourth property is fx of x is equal probability of x less than or equal to x, and also equal integration of fx of x dx is equal x equal minus infinity to plus infinity. So means the distribution function of random variable x equal cumulative probabilities, probability function, probability value, that is probability of x less than or equal x, and also that is also equal, that is integration of fx of x dx, means it is a density function. And fifth one is the density function, integration of density function, that is small fx of x dx is also equal f distribution function of x2 minus probability distribution function of x1. Also the value between the probability of x2 minus the probability of x1. So like the probability properties, so here always the density function is always greater than equal to 0, and it should be, the value should be between 0 to 1, like probability properties. So these are the properties for the probability density function. Consider an example here. A random variable x has the following probabilities, that is x equal -2, -1, corresponding probability is 1 by 8 and 0, and 1 by 4 probability corresponding, and 1, and corresponding probability is 1 by 2. Then find and draw the distribution and density function. As you know that here up to -2 values are there, so that is the reason probability of x less than or equal to -3 equal 0, because there is no value after after the -3, after the -2 value. So that is the reason this probability is equal to 0. Already you can directly write it as p of x of -2, even -2 probability is, that is equal 1 by 8. And similarly you can write it as probability of x less than or equal to -1. So -1 means the -1 before values are x equal to -2, probability of x equal to -1. So that is equal 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is equal 1 by 4. And next coming to the probability of x less than or equal to 0. So 0 up to 0 values, -2, probability of x equal to -2, probability of x equal to -1, probability of x equal to 0. So these are the values before less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0. So including 0, So that is equal x equal to minus 2 value equal to 1 by 8 already you have seen. So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 equal totally it is 1 by 2, and probability is x less than or equal to 1. So means before less than values of probabilities, cumulative probabilities is equal to the probability of x equal to minus 2 plus probability of x equal to minus 1 plus probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to including 1, that is equal to 1. So total all probabilities are equal to 1. Like this you can calculate the probabilities and you can draw the probability distribution diagrams. So probability distribution function diagrams are at 0 value, what is the probability, corresponding probability, that is 1 by 4 or 1 by at 0 value. At 0 value it is 1 by 4. So that is the reason here it is 0 value 1 by 4. And at 1 what is the probability at 1? At 1 it is 1 by 2. So that is the reason at 1 it is 1 by 2. And similarly at 2 no value. At minus 1 what is the value? At minus 1 it is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 at minus 1 it is 1 by 8, and at minus 2 it is again 1 by 8. At minus 2 the probability is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8. So you can draw the step function for a probability distribution function. You can draw if you combine this magnitude values, so you can see like it is a step function. So it is the probability distribution function. But coming to the density function, the derivative of distribution function, so means it is a impulse function, because the derivative of step function gives the, that is impulse function. So it is only the mathematical representation or graphical representation of corresponding probabilities. So that is the reason we can represent the density function like this. At 0 the value is density function is 1 by 4. At 1 the value is 1 by 2. At minus 1 the corresponding probability is 1 by 8. At minus 2 the corresponding probability is again 1 by 8. So you can observe the difference between, that is probability distribution function and probability density function. It is a step function, it is a distribution, it is a step function, it is an impulse function. So both are used to represent the graphical representation of corresponding random experiment outcome probabilities. So these are the, like this you can represent the probability distribution diagrams as well as the probability density diagrams. So coming to the one more example, let us consider two dice and find the PDF and get the output. To get the output equal sum of the dice outcome. As you know that if you are thrown a die, two dice at a time, so you can get the 36 possibilities of outcome. Here you can observe the outcomes. So the outcomes are 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Like this, 2 1 up to 2 6, and 3 1 3 2 up to 3 6, 4 1 4 2 up to 4 6, 5 1 5 2 up to 5 6, 6 1 6 2 up to 6 6. So these are the 36 outcomes. So but what is the probability to get the outcome? Here the outcome is sum of the dice outcome. So means probability to get some 0. So there is no probability here. Minimum is 2. 1 plus 1 2 is the outcome. So that is the reason probability to get some 0 equal to 0, and probability to get 1, there is no 1 here. So sum is not equal to 1. So that is the reason here probability to get 1, sum 1 equal to also 0. And probability to get sum 2, we have one possibility, that is 1 plus 1 equal, that is 2. 1 plus 1 2. So means 1 by out of the total outcomes are 36. As you know that it is the ratio between possible outcomes divided by total number of outcomes is the probability of the given random experiment. So coming to the next 3, sum should be equal to 3 means there are two possibilities are there, that is 1 plus 2 3 and 1 plus 2 3. So means two possibilities. So therefore 2 divided by 36 is the probability to get 3 is 2 by 36 is the probability. Similarly, at the same time probability to get 11, only two probabilities are there, two chances are there, that is the reason. So here the probability is P by 2 by 36, and P of 4 is equal 3 by 36, and similarly the probability of 10 is also equal to 3 by 36. Next, probability of 5, probability to get some 5 is equal, 4 chances are there, 4 chances. Therefore, 4 by 36 equal to P of 9. Coming to the next, probability of 6 is equal 5 by 36. And similarly, you can get the same probability to get some 8, probability to get some 8 equal like this, 4 plus 4, 8, 3 plus 5, 8, 2 plus 6, 8, 5 plus 3, 8, 6 plus 2, 8. So that is the reason probability to get 8 equal 5 times are there, 5 by 36, and P of 7 is also 6 times probabilities are there. So therefore total 6 by 36. You can get the probabilities, can find the probabilities like this. And next, if you want to find the effects of x less than distribution function, you can find like this. As you know that the probability of distribution function means the cumulative addition of cumulative probabilities less than 3. So that is fx of x less than or equal to 3 is equal p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2, including less than or equal to 3 means p of 3. So p of 0 equal 0 plus and p of 2 is 0, 1 by 36. 1 by 36. Third one is that is 36. Therefore, here 0 plus p of 2 is 1 by 36. P of 2 is 1 by 36. And p of 3 is here 2 by 36. Here you can add the 2 by 36 also. Therefore, it is 3 by 36 is the value. For example, if we take, like, you can find the probabilities like this. For example, fx of x less than or equal to 4. So means all the addition of all the probabilities, p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3 plus p of 4. So means here the probabilities first two are zeros. P of 2 means that is 1 by 36. P of 3 means 2 by 36, and P of 3 means that is 2 by 36. P of 4 means 3 by 36. Here you can also add the 3 by 36 here. So therefore 3 plus 2 plus 1, 5, 6 by 36. Here that is 6 by 36 is the final answer. And similarly, you can find the that is fx of 1 means that is p of 0 plus p of 1. There is no probabilities, that is equal. P of 1 is 0, p of 1 to get some 1 equal to 0. So that is the reason 0 plus 0 equal to 0. And fx of 2 equal probability of x less than or equal to 2. So means the cumulative distribution functions, the cumulative probabilities are before 2 is p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 equal 0 plus p of 1, p of 2 means 1 by 36, that is equal 1 by 36. Like this, you can find the probabilities. Here you can see the fx of 6 equal probability of x less than or equal to 6 equal the cumulative probabilities, addition of cumulative probabilities till 0 to 6. Probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus, that is one more is less than or equal to 6 means one more we need to write, that is 6. Probability of 6 also we need to write here, that is probability of 6. Probability of 6, that is equal 0 plus 1 by 36, 1 by 2 by 36 plus 3 by 36, 4 by 36 plus 5 by 36 equal totally it is 15 by 36 is the probability. One more example you can take, find the distribution function and draw for a given values. So here they are given that x equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and corresponding probabilities are 2 by 36, 8 by 36, 12 by 36, 7 by 36, 5 by 36 and 2 by 36. Here to find the cumulative probability, this is the PDF function. So addition of the present values plus previous values. So that gives the PDF value. So therefore that is, you can see here the PDF function fx of x equal, here probability is 2 by 36, 2 by 36. Fx of 2 equal fx of 1 plus fx of 2 or p of 1 plus p of 2, that is equal 2 by 36 plus 8 by 36, that is 10 by 36. Similarly, that is PDF of 3 gives the px1 plus px2 plus px3 is equal 8 plus 2, 10 plus 12, 22 by 36. Similarly, that is fx of 4 gives the addition of these 4 probabilities. That is 8 plus 2 plus 12 plus 7, 29 by 36. Similarly, fx of 5 gives fx of 5 is equal px of that is 5 plus 7 plus 12 plus 8 plus 2 divided by that is equal 34 by 36. And last one is total probability px fx of 6 equal addition of previous all cumulative probabilities 2 by 8 plus 8 by 6 plus 12 by 36 plus 7 by 36 plus 5 by 36 plus 2 by 36 equal total value equal to 1. You can draw the distribution function like this. At 1 the value is 2 by 36, at 2 the value is 10 by 36, at 3 the value is 22 by 36, at 4 the value PDF probability value is that is here 36, and at 5 it is 34 by 36, at 6 the PDF value is that is 1. So this like this you can represent the probability distribution diagram. Thank you.